Buy these. These Air Jordan 1s are on the rise right now. Free patent leather bred Air Jordan 1 giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the bred patent leather Air Jordan 1. I'm no longer giving away the Marina Blue Air Jordan 1s. Instead, I'm going to give away the bred patent leather Air Jordan 1s again, since you guys seem to love these so much. Smash that like button. Let's get this video up to 1,000 likes because I'm giving away a pair of patent leather bred Air Jordan 1s. And if you guys get this video up to 1,000 likes, the next giveaway will be 2 pairs of sneakers. I'm thinking the Panda Dunks along with another pair of hype sneakers, so make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. These Air Jordan 1s are very hyped. There's a lot of demand for this Air Jordan 1, which caused the price to go up. This Air Jordan 1 is on the rise. Now is the time to buy. You should have bought them already, but I'm telling you guys to buy this Air Jordan 1 now before it's too late, because the price is going to get even more expensive. The price on this Air Jordan 1 is going up now. This Air Jordan 1 is on the rise right now. This limited and hyped Air Jordan 1 was reselling for, at one point, roughly $360, $370. Right now, prices are about $440 to $460. This Air Jordan 1 is on the rise now. This is an Air Jordan 1 you guys should have bought already. If you like this pair of Air Jordan 1s, you need to buy this Air Jordan 1 now before it's too late. The price is going to continue to go up, and this Air Jordan 1 is going to be a very sought after and expensive Air Jordan 1. It did not take long at all for this Air Jordan 1 to go up in price. This was a very good investment. I think it's still a very good investment and is still a hold. The price is up and it's continuing to go up on the Air Jordan 1. The Air Jordan 1 A Ma Maniére. With the success of the Air Jordan 3 A Ma Maniére and how those have skyrocketed in price, it was bound for the Air Jordan 1 to go up in price as well. This sneaker released at the end of last year. It has not taken long at all for this sneaker to go up in price. Prices started off at around $400 after release. They dropped to around $360, $370, and now they're on their way up. They're climbing up to $500. Right now, they're sitting at around $450. Will the A Ma Maniére Air Jordan 1 continue to go up in price? In my opinion, yes. When the A Ma Maniére Air Jordan 3 is $900, almost $1,000, you know the Air Jordan 1 A Ma Maniére has to go up in price as well. A Ma Maniére has been killing it with their collabs. This is one of the best sneakers that they've ever done along with the 3s. I just really like these collabs a lot. Materials are dope, and they're definitely a must-have sneaker that I will be wearing. I'm going to be wearing my A Ma Maniére Air Jordan 1s and 3s, and when I wear them, I'm going to be applying Drip Grip sole protectors to the bottom. I have Drip Grip on the bottom of my off-white Nike Dunks. Drip Grip helps keeps the sneakers clean even when I wear them, so I can peel this off and they'll be brand new on the bottom. It'll keep resale value high and keep my sneakers in great condition. I highly recommend Drip Grip. The link is down below. Make sure you guys check it out and be sure to use my discount code DANNY10 to receive 10% off your order from dripgrip.com. Protect your sneakers and protect your investment today with Drip Grip, the best sole protector on the market. Thank you, Drip Grip, for sponsoring today's video. So let's talk about why these went up in price, and then I'm going to tell you guys what I think you need to do. First and foremost, the 3s being sneaker of the year. The 3s officially took sneaker of the year. It caused the price to go up on those like crazy. Those went up a few $100s just like that, very, very quick. So because the 3 price went up, I think it trickled over to the Jordan 1 price. The price went down to around $360 to $370. That was the buy-in time. The price has not seen that low again, and in my opinion, it will not go that low again. In fact, I think the opposite. This sneaker can only go up in price from this point forward. So right now, prices are around $450. Here's what I think you guys need to do, in my opinion. If this is a must-have for personal, if you like this sneaker, you want to wear it, keep it in the collection, I think you need to buy them now. Do not let this Air Jordan 1 slip away. As a sneakerhead, I know you guys have let sneakers slip right out of your hand, where you were able to cop this sneaker for one price, and the next thing you know, they skyrocketed in price, and they're no longer in your budget and no longer obtainable. I'm going to tell you guys right now, do not let that happen to you with the A Ma Maniére Air Jordan 1. So price is sitting at $450. Where can these go? I honestly believe they can go easily to $600, $700, maybe even more. A few years from now, I could see them being quite expensive. I definitely think now's the time to buy before they become even more expensive. They've already gone up, and this just means that they're gonna continue to go up in price. Don't forget, we have things in store, I'm sure, for this year, next year, and so on and so forth with A Ma Maniére. And the Air Jordan 1 here being the second Jordan collab, the 3 being the first. They're just going to continue to go up in price. The colorway is there. I think the color blocking is cool. It's solid. It's wearable. But it's not the best color blocking they could have used. But it still allowed it to go up in price because it's a wearable collab Air Jordan 1. Now, details also made this sneaker go up in price. You do have a quilted sock liner. You have cracked leather on the entire upper. Take a look at the back of the shoe. Take a look at the Nike swoosh. Details, man. The hidden details on this Air Jordan 1. Along with the story of this Air Jordan 1, the hype this Air Jordan 1 had, the release this Air Jordan 1 had, and the fact that they come with cream laces with this aged midsole, these were bound to go up in price. And that price increase happened quickly. If the Air Jordan 1 A Ma Maniére is a cop for you, make sure you put a fire emoji down below in the comments. If they're a drop and trash, make sure you put a trash emoji. I want to see who wants to cop this Air Jordan 1 and who does not. Make sure you buy this Air Jordan 1 before it's too late because the price is going to continue to go up. At the end of the day, this is still a collaboration, and as we all know, collabs are through the roof in hype. I think you guys should definitely pick up this sneaker and hold on to them for the long term. If you have capital, this is a very good Air Jordan 1, I think, to hold on to. In a handful of years from now, this is going to be one of those Air Jordan 1s people look back on and just shake their head on the price and realize how low it was because yeah, they're not going to stay this low for long. One thing I've noticed about resale on these is that size doesn't really matter for the most part. Any size is really doing well, and they've all gone up in price. Bigger sizes started off a little higher, but now every size is around $450. And I believe that price will not stay that price for long. I have a question for you that I want you to answer down below in the comments. Do you think Air Jordan 1 hype is dead? Start your comment down below saying, Danny, yes, I think Jordan 1 hype is dead, or no, Danny, I don't think Jordan 1 hype is dead. And then explain what you think. Let me know down below in the comments. I'm gonna read the comments. I've been thinking about starting a group where we talk about sneaker investments. In this group, we'll talk about what sneakers will go up in price, we'll talk about what sneakers will drop in price, and we'll all make money together. If you would be interested in this, make sure you let me know down below in the comments. I'm gonna read the comments and reply back to you, so make sure you leave a comment down below. Get your giveaway entries in for the patent leather breads. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, get this video to 1,000 likes for a Panda Dunk giveaway as well. Make sure you guys check out Drip Grip, the link is down below in the description. Go get yourself 10% off and save the bottoms of your sneakers. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.